This 1971 Deuce and a half was simply a tick off the owner's list crazy, right? Snagged from Boyce Equipment in Ogden, Utah. This AMC General Military beast has been transformed into something way beyond stock. Part survival rig, part workhorse, all-out head-turner. Let's start with the lighting. Everything's been swapped for DOT-compliant LEDs, front end, undercarriage, turn signals, the works. Whether you're crawling trails or working in the dark, this thing glows like a landing strip, and if you get stuck, you won't for long. There's an 18,000-pound winch up front and a 15,000-pound unit tucked into the bed, paired with a work light. Utility isn't an afterthought here. It's the whole point. The truck's been Rhino-lined nearly everywhere it counts. Undercarriage, fenders, interior, making it both rugged and ready for anything. It sips from a 55-gallon tank and still manages 13 to 15 miles per gallon, which is frankly wild for a rig of this size. Storage? Yep. There's a compartment for long guns, a full dump bed that lifts higher than the truck itself, air hookups in the rear, fog and uplights, a side-mounted toolbox, and ramp attachments for hauling quads or gear. Those 350-pound tires, they'll set you back $1,500 each, but they look absolutely worth it. Inside, it's pure utility meets rough luxury. Air ride seats, airbags for the bed, all lights on switches up front, and screens for both thermal imaging and night vision. There are in-cab comms that can sync to your phone, a C above the driver's head, and a rebuilt 5-ton multi-fuel engine under the hood, ready to burn everything from diesel to used motor oil. Call it what you want. Apocalypse rig, farm truck, dream toy. But this Deuce, it's a statement.